Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim Google Gemini student offer. So the step-by-step guide, we have 5 steps. So let's start with the first one, which is to check eligibility. So you may need a valid university or school email. So just have to make sure that you have access to your official educational email address, which is often ending in edu or specific institutional domain. So just a crucial step is this offers vary by region and institution. So confirm if your school participates in the Google Workspace or the AI programs. Next is to navigate to the offers page. So you can search on the Google for Gemini student offer or check the main Google AI subscription page for student links. So look for a dedicated landing page or a promotion banner specific to educational users. Next is to sign in and verify. So click the Get Offer button and sign in using your educational email address associated with your Google account. So in this one, you may be redirected to your university's SSO or the single sign-on page for automatic verification. Next is to review this discounted plan. So you can review the student terms, confirming the discounted rate and the duration of the offer, like for example, the 50% off for 12 months. So if the price looks correct and reflects the discount, then you may need to proceed to the final checkout step. And the last step is to complete enrollment. So enter your payment details for discounted rate and click subscribe or start trial. So you should receive a confirmation email. So the Gemini Advanced features are now unlocked for your student account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can claim Google Gemini student offer. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.